Let's go into another feedback. Fuji-san. I don't know why, but I don't like this one line art pose. It doesn't look interesting. Jester. Same problem as the one in Haruka. Jester. I'm gonna show you how to make it look even more interesting. In mine, I have not done shadows. I did a line that follows the rib cage, and it's the same line that follows the muscle line, so it seems like I did the muscle, but I did not. I'm gonna show you how I think here on the side first. This character is feeling sad. It's feeling like, hey, I gotta just get myself together, protect myself. When you are feeling sad, if it's not a model posing, you are not going to see someone sad all open, chest up. When someone is sad, people tend to just get all together, just go like cringe, you know, just yourself. So the first thing that I would be doing, I would make the character like this. The ear going down like this, and like this. And here's the character like. This is already more interesting. Do you see this pose right here? Because it's all clinching into itself. It's like, I'm getting all together. But if your objective is to do more like a model posing, like, oh, I'm sad, but I'm posing to be in a poster. You're gonna make here pretty much like this, open, neck open. And there's like some kind of wind happening movement. So this would be the change that I would be doing. Which one of these would be the thing that you were going for? I post the reference. Oh, you post the reference? Let me see it. Oh, she's cringing. She's doing model, but at the same time cringing. Okay, this shoulder here should be very close. The neck needs to be bending. And not only that, here the muzzle going up. It's this arm here. I'm gonna be changing its position. Little by little, you go and fix the arms. Little by little. We are not on a competition here, just taking your time. I see that your composition here is green and red, but I don't believe we are going to keep it the way it is. Especially the light here, the face gotta be the main light point. So I'm going to just pick multiply, and I'm gonna generate so many shadows right now. I'm just gonna pick Ctrl E, M. Ctrl M, do your magic. Okay, this ear right here, you're gonna be bending like Avatar 2. And you, the other ear, you're gonna be going back. I'm gonna move even more on level so you guys can see. I cannot just go cray-cray without letting you guys see what is happening. Only if it's anime, I recommend using blue for crying. Bro, you gotta look a little bit sad. This is going up. No, you're gonna go down. This red right here gonna get much brighter. I'm just gonna be doing basic light and shadows, by the way, because I could take hours in this drawing. Of course, I almost forgot about soft light. When I press Ctrl M, this screen appears, okay? And in this screen, I can just go by channels red, green, and blue and start just going chon, 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 chon. And when I do the chon, 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 look at this. Everything changes colors. Look at it. See, you just go and play with those things and you get into the level that you go like, oh shit, I did that? Yeah, I did that. Haha, so yeah. First, create a new layer to be sure that you're not going to do a yacht stuff. Okay, filter gallery. Post edges, post, sorry. Here, post edges. Look at this. This is without effect. This is with the effect. You can make edges more dense, less dense. That's how you make line art without making line art. Nice, right? You make line art, even that you didn't want. Now you have it. I have it. I have another one. Cut out. It's cut out. Okay, good. It's cut out, right? I'm not getting crazy on names, right? Yeah, it's cut out. This is cut out. Without. Come on. Without. And with. Without. With. And you can just change here the numbers of everything. It's good for people that use anime. Look at this. So simplified. This would be good to be like a copy in the background. And now that you have this extra layer, you can just go and erase the lines that you didn't want, since you have another layer down below. I want to show noise. Add noise. You can add some TV effects, like here, Gaussian noise. So you have this little dot stuff happening on. That's another effect that Pro uses. Do you want to know another effect that Pro uses? Duplicate your image. Click 2 times here in the corner. This screen is going to appear. Take out. We are using a red dominant blue. Okay. Take these 2 out. Good, nothing happened. Press Ctrl T. Okay. And then click on it and then wrap. Okay, Ctrl T, click on it and wrap. This grid's going to appear. I just vanished with the grid. It's still here. Let me show you what happens when I just drag. Look at this. Now I have this 3D effect in my painting. And since I don't want people looking down here, I'm going to do it a strong 3D effect down here. Okay. Strong 3D effect down there. But here, a small 3D effect, okay? Here I want people to be looking, so not so much. Let me see if there's another thing for me to show. Yes, camera raw filter. I click on camera raw filter. We can just go here and change how cool or how warm the scene is. I love this too. There is this thing here called sharpening. Like you have here your line. You can just add it. Everything's going to be much sharper. Do this before adding grain, because if you do this after adding grain, this is what is going to happen. But you can always just go here and take some a little bit out. Okay, we did some changes. Small changes. Did it help you guys? Yeah, we did just a small change. So you guys can see that it's not much about the line art or how well everything is. But if you get the ambient light good, everything's going to look good, no matter how cringe it is. I have not drawn any finger here. Still good. Sometimes it's all about just getting the right light. Great reference for face. Of course, I'm not going to show the body. I'm going to get banned. I'm going to get banned, son. Okay, what do you struggle? Lagex, what do you struggle in your drawing? Tell me, before I start, what do you struggle on? The face and hands and the right ear. The ear on the right, face, hands. Okay, now let's go for the eye. When we are talking about the face, we want to have that nice human look. We want to have that amazing look like, heck yeah, I'm the biggest deer you're gonna ever see in this forest. So I'm going to do the eye, you know. You know, the eye. Just like this eye here. Only if you want like a hardcore expression, like, I'm such a bad boy. You can do that. But I'm going for a more soft expression. Yeah, go for the soft. First do the line and then you do the rest. Here, no. Format here, focus on format. And then go down. Nose get even more down here, okay? You can see in this one. Nose goes really deep. Line at the side. Chin, remember, I'm looking at my reference. Look at your reference. Huge chin, it's a shed, okay? We're gonna be drawing a shed. Huge shed chin. Here, this area on herbivores tends to be really big. This area right here. Because they are all day eating grass, they gotta have cheeks and muscles here, okay? They gotta have like huge space happening here. Okay, on the head, I believe this is the biggest problem. This was the biggest problem. Here, we gotta do the anatomy here first. Okay, here, and then it's coming from here, and then you get here. Okay, cool. You can see the head's much bigger. Much bigger than the rest. Let's not do that. And since the face is going like this, the eye should be doing this format right here. Gaps, how you're just choosing that? Because the muzzle. So I'm going to move all of this eye and the eyebrow down. Okay, the neck behind here is going to be bigger. Much bigger. Especially because of the fur. The head is pressing down the fur here. Lines gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen. Lines. And the hand, I don't see any problem in the hand happening here. Just the fur not really blocking it. That's what happens in the chest. You have the nips. Is that the name? Nipple? A huge area here and down area is smaller, okay? And here, forget the abs. Forget the abs. We gotta just forget the abs and think, hi. How is everything falling down here, okay? Is it falling down like cool or is it just falling down like what is happening here? here. Rib cage, okay? Rib cage. We get the rib cage and we get all the rest. If you get the rib cage right, you get all the rest. Okay, shoulder connect. Because you have a biceps. And the biceps gonna connect. You have a vein right here. Yeah, but he's going to get the vein. Okay, now let's do something called reflect. So you can see the trouble. Head's too big, guys. Too big. It's a trouble with the hand. I would pretty much just render it the way it is here. Remembering the fur, of course. Sometimes we just gotta think the eye as three-dimensional and think like, hey, eye is a circle no matter which side we see. So we're gonna be seeing which part of the eye. Oh, we're gonna be seeing the corner of the eye in this case. Because the face is looking this way, like, shwa. And if the eye's here, and you close the eye, wow, we're gonna have a perfect triangle. You were not far away from getting the right results. You were not far away. It was just a matter of using some kind of different reference or just trying 10,000 times more. Sometimes it's that the thing. Or just taking a break and then going back to your artwork and you're gonna be like, oh yeah, that thing, oh, so easy, yeah. Sometimes it happens. Check out our Gumroad and Patreon for even more amazing art content. Do you want to learn with me? Why not go into my Gumroad and grab amazing full tutorials of I don't know how long that you're gonna need to learn art. That's a great thing. Or my Patreon for Paintover feedbacks, complete Paintover's feedback. And I'll be seeing you in the next one, Chan. Bye bye!